Hi, my name's Pam Donane, and this is week 11 on the Nutrisystem Program. So I'm going to share with you what my tips are for the week, how I'm feeling, and then of course what my results are. And by doing this, I'm hoping that you can get some tips that could help you with your Nutrisystem journey. So the first thing I'll talk about is I went on YouTube and found some other people that were also doing Nutrisystem. And I'm not talking about the people that are saying that they're doing Nutrisystem and then they proceed to tell you all the cheating they've done all week long. That's not what I'm talking about. I feel like they're eating Nutrisystem food along with a bunch of other food, but not doing the program. I'm talking about people that are actually following the program and giving me helpful pointers that I can use to help me in my week. And there's a couple people, and I will show you pictures of their channels. Couple women that are doing this. Sandy Beach and Kathryn May have YouTube channels that I've really enjoyed watching, and I have watched all of their Nutrisystem videos at least twice because it just makes me feel like I'm not alone. And by watching their videos, it's really funny because I feel like I know them. I don't, but I feel like they're friends that are helping me on my journey, giving me tips and things that are helping them. So it just makes it more enjoyable. And they do have really helpful tips. They also go over like some of their struggles, or they'll tell what foods they like or dislike. So I do really enjoy that because then I don't feel alone. And also I have made comments on their channel, and both of them are really good about getting back to me when I do make a comment. So it's like another connection. So if you have a question for me, or if you have a comment or just would like some extra support, do comment on my channel. I will get back to you. It's just one more way to connect and feel like you're not alone. And like I said, I don't know Sandy Beach or Kathryn May, but by watching their videos and having some comment back and forth, I do feel like they're in my corner, rooting me on, that I'm not doing this all by myself. So anyway, it's a supportive friend going, you can do this. Anyway, let me show you pictures of their channels so that you could go watch them as well to get some support. So just looking at their pictures, you can tell that they're both really nice. And their YouTube channels have been so helpful for me. So what I'll do is I'll put their links below for their YouTube channels so that you can go and watch them as well and get some pointers from them and some support. So anyway, if you are enjoying this video, could you do me a favor and hit the thumbs up? Also subscribe and the notification bell. I would really appreciate that. So anyway, what my tip here is surround yourself with supportive people. My husband and 3 kids are very supportive, so I am super thankful for that, but none of them have ever been on a diet before. So they don't really completely understand what I'm going through. They are supportive, but not quite the understanding. So that's why I've really enjoyed going on to YouTube and finding a couple women that I can relate to and feel like I'm getting support from. The other thing that has been really nice is my energy has still been good. I've felt good on the program, and my clothes are fitting so much better. So I'm super excited about that. In fact, when I'm done and reach my goal, I am going to reward myself with 2 new pairs of jeans. So I'm looking forward to that. There have been a few days where I'm really hungry, but the way that I take care of that is by eating the free vegetable soup. And I eat a lot of this vegetable soup, particularly on my hungry days. So I'm never without the vegetable soup. And that has saved me. In fact, I don't even know how many gallons of soup I've eaten, but it's super good. And like I said, it saves me. So let's take a look at my results for the week. Let's go do that now. This is the end of week 11. So let's see how this goes. 126.6. So I'm actually up 0.2 pounds. So I gained 0.2 pounds. I didn't cheat at all. You know, the body sometimes just goes through fluctuations, but I'm going to hold fast because I do know it will eventually go down. And I usually go over what I've done each week, but this list is getting really long. So I'll just say I have lost a total of 11.6 pounds. And I'm really happy with that because that is the average of a pound a week. And when I started the first of the year, I wanted to lose 20 pounds. So I was going to do it on my own without Nutrisystem. But it took me 10 months to lose 5.8 pounds. And then I started Nutrisystem. So now I feel like I'm going at a light speed, losing a pound a week. So by the time I get to 124, I will have lost 20 pounds. I didn't do it within 1 year, but it'll be 13 months. If I would have started Nutrisystem at the beginning of the year, I would have lost it, a lot quicker. But anyway, totally happy. I will reach my goal of 20 pounds very soon. So I am happy about that. And the thing too, people have to realize, if you have more weight to lose, more than 20 pounds, you probably will lose it quicker. I've seen people on the Facebook support group for Nutrisystem and also Kathryn May that have dropped 10 pounds their first week. I mean, that's incredible. So if you do have extra weight or more than 20 pounds to lose, maybe it will go faster for a while. But 1 pound a week, I do really think is a good amount. And also to learn new eating habits and to keep it off. The other thing that I have going against me, and I hate talking about this, I even hate thinking about this, is my age. And like I said, I don't even like talking about it, but my husband's comment always is, it's better than the alternative. Being dead. So yeah, okay, it is better than the alternative, but I don't love aging. But as you do get older, your metabolism slows down. And I do know for a fact that my metabolism is slower. But it's not going to stop me from losing weight. Yeah, maybe slower, but that's okay. Because I am going to be 60 in 2 months. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh, it goes fast. I never liked having birthdays, but I can't ever stop them. I even remember being a teenager when I was turning 20. I hated turning 20 because then I was never a teenager again. I didn't even like my kids having birthdays because each birthday they had, they were getting older and then I wouldn't have them anymore. I just wanted to freeze them as little kids, but that didn't happen. So anyway, yes, age plays a factor and your metabolism does slow down, and I know mine has, but it's not going to stop me from setting goals and reaching them. So don't use it as an excuse. Anyway, if you get benefits from these videos, I would love a thumbs up, subscribe, and notification bell. That'd be so awesome. I really, really do appreciate you. I appreciate you watching my videos and for your support. Just have an amazing week, and I will see you soon. Thank you.